All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB1059, Ricardo case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. All right. Ms. Ricardo,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes. Well, I brought my husband, Benny, for child support.
We're not
we have four
actually,
kids.
we're separated, Your Honor.
We are still married, though. We have 4 kids, and he is zero responsible, and I need help.
I don't know what you talk about being zero responsible.
Excuse me, sir.
She's accusing me of stuff that is not true. I'm very responsible.
She hasn't said more than 3 words,
Exactly.
though. You haven't even given her a chance to speak.
Whatever.
Excuse me, are you referring to me saying whatever, or are you referring to her?
No, Your Honor, I'm not.
This case has everything: betrayal, denial, and a child support battle that spirals out of control in Judge Vanderby's courtroom. On one side, we have Miss Ricardo, a teacher and mother of 4, claiming her R&B singer husband abandoned their family emotionally and financially. On the other side, Benny, an entertainer with a $500K net worth, denies responsibility, questions paternity, and casually reveals he's lost count of his kids. You heard that right. As emotions explode and jaw-dropping admissions come to light, Judge Vanderby has no choice but to take control. But when the numbers are finally revealed, it's not just the courtroom that's stunned. It's the viewers, too. Stick around, because this case gets messier by the minute.
No, Your Honor, I'm not. I was kind of just, that's one of my catchphrases. So
Oh, okay. Well, you might want to catch that mouth and keep it to yourself, because, you know, there's no need to be disrespectful to me. I haven't done anything. It's my job to listen to what you all are saying, and then make the best decision
Your Honor,
for the
this
children.
is the type of attitude I have to deal with. Every time I try to call him, every time I try asking for help, every time I try to ask him, hey, you know, at least call your kids, try to see, you know, if they're okay.
And how many kids do you all have?
4.
4
we have
kids.
4 kids. We have 2 girls and 2 boys.
I don't even know if one of them is mine, Your Honor. I don't even know if one of them is mine. One of them, the last one, that's the straw that broke the camel's back, that last one. Because my drummer might have something to do with that. He was beating more than just drums.
Wow. I'm running out of tea up here. Ma'am,
No.
continue with your story.
So he is, like I said, zero responsible. And we have been together for 15 years. He has been bringing people in and out of the house all the time, all these musicians, people he works with. I'm a teacher.
What does he do for a living?
He's a R&B singer.
Oh, okay.
He has a group.
Okay.
He started making it big, making all this money, and then he decides he wants to leave me. And then I start receiving calls from all these girls, you know, saying, hey,
Whoa, did you catch that? Miss Ricardo just implied that Benny's drummer might have been doing more than just tapping snares, and now paternity is in question. This isn't just about missed phone calls or financial neglect. This is about trust, shattered, smeared, and slung across the courtroom like gossip at a family reunion. Benny's reaction? Total deflection. But here's the thing. In Texas, if you're married, any child born during that marriage is presumed yours, no matter what band drama you think you remember. So, is this really about the child, or is Benny scrambling to dodge support payments? What do you think? Is he genuinely unsure, or just playing dumb to avoid the check?
You know, saying, hey, you know, I'm with him or whatever. I'm with Benny, you know, I don't care if he's your husband or whatever. And I'm thinking, what's going on? You know, because I didn't know about all these girls before that. And I asked him about it.
That's how we met, Jackie.
That's how
we met because you was a groupie.
I always ask you about it, and you always deny everything. But you know what? You are not responsible with your kids. I don't care if you're doing all these girls, okay? I need your help, money-wise. That's the type of attitude I have to deal with. He ignores everything I say. And my last kid is our kid, okay? I don't know. He just made up a whole story about a drummer.
That kid don't even look like me, Your Honor. He don't even look like me. Yeah, he dark like me, but he don't got my eyes. Look into my eyes, Your Honor. If you was to see my kid, you wouldn't think that these eyes was his eyes, because it ain't my kid.
He's
Jacky.
he's light-skinned, but you know, he has some Latin in him too.
I couldn't tell by the eyes.
Well, you know, I can't help that, yo.
So that is the reason I'm bringing him to court today. I need help with my 4 kids.
Okay. It sounds like you all need a lot more help than just with me here today. Benny, was it?
Yes, it's Benny, Your Honor.
Benny, it's your turn. Tell me what your side is.
She wants all this money from me, and the truth of the matter is, Your Honor, it sounds like a lot of money, but I got other kids to take care of too. You know,
All
she
right.
ain't the only one. She knew I had kids before we got married.
No, I didn't.
Now let's talk about.
Now you calling me a liar?
Yeah, you are a liar.
I ain't a liar. You
Yes,
a liar.
you are. You never
a
told me
bold-faced
that.
liar. She a bold-faced
No,
liar,
you
Your
never
Honor.
told me this. After our second child,
What is
then
a
you started
bold-faced
coming.
liar exactly?
Just look at her face and look how bold she is with what's coming out her mouth.
Oh, okay. Well, Benny, we're going to focus on the facts, okay? We are not going to name call or anything like that. That does not help the situation. Now, my question to you is, how much money are you making?
My net worth is only $500K.
Only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I got some investments that the money's tied up in, and I can't get it out right now. And taking care of these other 2 for sure that I know is mine. It's hard out there. It's hard out there for an entertainer.
So you all have 4 kids together, and you have 2 other
I have
children?
2 other children. Yeah.
All right. How are those the only 2 children that? So you have a total of 6 kids.
I lost
Did
count.
Did Benny
so-
just say he lost count of his kids? That is not a metaphor. This man is literally treating fatherhood like a playlist he forgot to update. And while he's joking about medicinal side effects and giving Judge Vunderby an eye exam, Miss Ricardo is sitting there wondering how she's going to afford braces and health insurance. This is where things shift. Judge Vunderby is visibly done with the nonsense, and we're about to see her take the reins on this circus. But seriously, how do you lose count of your children? Comment below if you think Benny's lifestyle is casting
I lost count. So, but you know, I
never knew about all this.
Wait a minute. You lost count of the number of children that you have?
You know, it was.
And you all been married 15 years?
Yeah.
Oh.
When I was younger, it was some stuff that
And
I'm an
I never
entertainer.
knew about
you know?
it, Your Honor. He never told me any of this.
So I was on some of that medicinal stuff that was for my eyesight, because I asked you to look in my eyes and you could see that some of the stuff. But anyway, the medicinal stuff that I was using,
wasn't sure what I saw,
It did
actually.
something. It did something, and I kind of lost count. But I know for 2 for sure.
Okay. So
That I'm taking care of.
2? Oh my God. You're unbelievable.
So, this is what we're going to do. Health insurance. Who pays it?
Me.
You don't pay health insurance making $500,000?
I told you, Your Honor, my money is wrapped up in things, and I'm trying to make more money for all of us,
Excuses.
even the
So-
one that ain't mine.
Health insurance isn't important to you for your children?
It's important, but isn't it best for a man to plan for the whole future of his children? That's what I'm trying to do.
I mean,
I
I agree with that.
I'm just a simple
Health
man.
they need to be healthy though.
Yeah, well, she got health insurance for the kids.
I'm a
Didn't I help
teacher.
you get the braces and all that?
No.
Because kid running around whistling up whenever he talk.
First visit he helped only. After that it was
Wow.
all me.
Wow.
Well, the kid don't whistle no more when he talks. Embarrassing me on stage, coming up talking about he want to be a
Ricardo.
rapper. He whistling while he talking, while he rapping. What kind of rapper is that whistle when they rap?
A whistle
A whistling rapper. Yeah,
Yeah.
he wanted to be a.
Sound
So I
like a
helped
good
him get
career
his
to me.
teeth fixed. Nah, that wasn't gonna fly.
Okay. Well, I'm glad that you were a parent and placed braces on your child's teeth.
I sure did.
Okay. Miss Ricardo, how much is health insurance a month?
I pay around $950
$950. Okay, and
for
it's
5 of us.
5. Okay, that was my next question. All right. All right, I have that. So this is what we're going to do. We are going to start some child support. Okay.
I ain't got no money, Your Honor. It's wrapped up.
You just said I make $500,000, and if my memory serves me correctly, you said it like it was just a little bit of money.
It is.
Well, you know, you're gonna pay your kids a little bit of this money too, okay?
If you hadn't been sleeping around so much.
Well, ma'am, we are not going to entertain
It's about time you
what
told
he
her.
did. You know, that's a lot I could have said to you too, especially when you had me look into your eyes. I wasn't sure what I was supposed to be looking at. But the point of it is, you all are here today.
And here it is, the reality check. You'd think a man earning $500,000 a year would pay significant child support, right? But nope. In Texas, child support is capped. The judge breaks it down. Even though Benny's making $41K a month, the court can only calculate support based on $9,200. That's a huge difference, and a frustrating one for parents like Miss Ricardo. Legally, it's airtight. Emotionally, infuriating. And Benny still tries to bargain, question paternity, and dismiss his responsibilities like he's negotiating backstage passes. But the law doesn't care if you're R&B royalty. When it comes to kids, the judge has the final
here today.
say.
She has a legitimate reason to be here. You should be paying some child support to her. Now, ma'am, I don't know how much money you thought you were going to be looking at, but you understand you're not entitled to all $500,000, right?
I mean, we have 4 kids together.
I mean, you understand that the law doesn't allow him to pay you child support based on $500,000, right?
How much is it,
So
Judge?
how much is it?
How much is it?
His salary is capped. He actually is based under Texas law. His net resources are capped at $9,220 a month.
$9,000.
$9,200, yes.
That ain't even fair.
Do you must not really understand
Yeah,
what
he's
I'm
not
saying.
understanding.
$500,000, right?
Put your cap.
That will make your monthly $41,000. That's how much you make. Because according to the law, can't make you pay child support based on $41,000 a month. That would make your child support ridiculously expensive. So it caps at $9,200, which means your child support will be extremely low. You understand that?
That ain't low.
You don't want to pay child support at all.
No, that's not
You
true.
just
Your
want to
Honor.
waste my time and sit up and
He doesn't
have
want
all
responsibility.
$500,000 coming to you and not going to your kids. That is not going to happen.
Can we get a paternity test? Can this be?
Oh my God.
I need a paternity test for that. I asked him if I prove that ain't my child. If I brought the drummer in and you looked at that drummer,
He's making
face
no
to face.
Listen, you can do whatever it is that you want to do at a later date. You did not petition this court to ask for a DNA test. So no, we are not doing a DNA test. You all are married. A child born of the
separated.
marriage, even if you're separated, a child born of the marriage is considered to be that of the spouse. You all are married. You have 4 kids since you've been married. Guess what? You're the father. Now, based on that $9,200 cap, and giving him credit for the other children that he has, that brings his net to, like I said, the $9,200. Health insurance would be $380 half, so it's for 4 kids. 4 kids. You said it's health insurance for 5 people, right?
Yes.
So it's $190 per child. That's $760. You all split that, so it's $380 that he needs to reimburse you monthly for that.
That's it, Your Honor?
That's it.
Oh my God. I
That's
need
it.
more help
So
than
his
that.
child support would
And
be.
I need more, because you know you can afford more than that.
No, I
If
can't.
you were a good dad,
Excuse
you would
me,
give me
excuse
more.
me. I'm
See
giving my
that?
ruling. Let me finish
You need
my
to put her
ruling.
in contempt of court, Your Honor.
I'm about to put both of you in contempt. How about that? Now, child support is set at $2,796 a month. That's all you get.
Let me understand this.
Maintenance.
If I have more
Always
kids,
get it your way.
if I get more kids, she get less money? Because I think I remember about 4 or 5
Because
other
I think
ones
that's what you want to
that
do.
It's coming back to me now.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because
Well,
I
my
think I got
next
about
case
7.
is getting ready to come in here and talk to me now. So I'm actually done with this case. Is there anything further?
No.
No, I think I just got
This is ridiculous. I need more
What's
money
so
than that.
ridiculous about it?
Because he has a lot of money that he can help me more with. I mean, 300? Really? For 4 kids?
For health insurance, yes.
That's not right.
This is the law.
That's not right.
I should have just kept her. They said it's cheaper to keep her.
Well, you know what? It's cheaper to go
But
ahead
if you
and
were a
exit my
different person,
courtroom.
then you would just
so
help
if there's
me
nothing
because-
further, you all are dismissed.
Come on,
Here
God.
today.
Can we work?
In the
She has a
end, Judge
legitimate reason
Vunderby
to be
ordered
here.
Benny to pay
You should be paying
$2,596 a
some
month in
child
child
support to
support,
her. Now,
plus
ma'am, I don't know how
$380
much
toward health
money you
insurance.
thought you were going to be
Not the windfall
looking
Ms.
at,
Ricardo
but
hoped
you
for.
understand you're not entitled
But
to
it's
all
what the law allows
500,000,
under
right?
Texas's income cap.
I mean, we
Despite
have
his
4 kids
evasions,
together.
denials, and
I
shady
mean,
paternity
you
doubts,
understand that
Benny
the law
walked out
doesn't
owing
allow
what's fair,
him
on paper at
to
least.
pay you child
But let's
support
be
based
real.
on $500,000.
This isn't just about
right?
money. It's about
much is it?
accountability,
So how much is it?
respect, and
His
showing up for your kids,
salary is
no matter
capped.
how big your bank
He
account
actually
So,
is based
what do you think?
under Texas law.
Should the law raise income
His
caps
net
for high
resources are
earners
capped
like
at
Benny?
$9,220
Should paternity testing be mandatory in messy
$9,000
separations like this?
$9,000.
Drop your thoughts below.
$9,200, yes.
And if you
That
found
ain't
this
even
case
fair.
as shocking as we did,
Do you,
make sure to
you
hit
must
that
not
like
really
button.
understand
Share
what
your
I'm
thoughts
saying.
in the comments.
$500,000.
And don't forget to subscribe for
right?
more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
That will
We'll
make
see you
your
in the next
monthly
case.
$41.